Hydrogen Generator User Guide. Quick start to enjoy. Step 1. Please ensure the following accessories are included. Step 2. Unscrew the water cap to install the filter cartridge. Step 3. Install the water collection tank, connecting tube, and nasal cannula. Step 4. Plug in the power cord to a socket. Step 5. Prepare purified water and pour it into the machine. You can purchase purified or distilled water from convenience stores. Do not use tap water, spring water, or mineral water, as these may damage the hydrogen generator. After hearing a beep, the machine will enter a 3-minute preheating phase, indicated by flashing lights. During this time, close the lid. Step 6. Once preheating is complete and the flashing light turns off, press the start button to begin using the hydrogen generator.